Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Rene in New Jersey on the RCI 29 base. Rene, we got it all fixed up for you here. Tuning alignment, Toshiba regulator. I'm sorry, not Toshiba regulator, just tune alignment and unlocking the clarifier on this one. Somebody was asking me earlier. Yes, they did get rid of the cheap, flimsy braking legs and got some nice beefy legs on there now. So we're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. 2 watts all the way down. Roll it up. Got 28 close to 30. Show your average power swing. Low 62 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Low 150 PEP. Alright, Rene, we're going to get this beautiful rig out to you today from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye bye.